Welcome to Sabis Delix and welcome back here to another amazing recipe. On today's video, we're doing lemon mandazi. Mandazi originated from the Swahili people who inhabit the coastal region of Kenya and Tanzania. East Africa, and that's it makes it so popular here in Kenya streets as it is convenient to make. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this flaky lemon mandazi and soft inside. Without further ado, let's get to the video. I'm using self-raising flour in my bowl. I have 5 cups of self-raising flour. I've just added 3/4 cup of sugar, and that is a lemon zest, 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to mix it. Now that is dry ingredients, then I'm going to add my margarine. My margarine is 150 grams. I've not added all of it, so I'm going ahead to rub it in my palm. Rub it with your hands until the margarine dissolves in the flour and it's crumbling. It should have the breadcrumb like texture. Make a well and add in your egg. I will use 2 eggs. Crack in your eggs. I'm going to use lemon juice. This is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I have mala. This is just homemade. It was fresh milk. Then I added some lemon to ferment it. Using a mala or a buttermilk will make your mandazi very soft. I like to use mala. I will add my milk into intervals until the dough forms. I'm looking for a soft dough here, not so firm and not sticky. So mandazi flour, if you want a crunchy mandazi, you don't have to knead it like the chapati one. It should not be stretchy. And that is why I add that margarine. So this is the consistency I'm looking for. It's just done like that. Also grease your bowl and look at that. That is how your dough should be looking like, and it's not even sticking on the hands. Place your dough in a bowl and we'll cover it with a kitchen towel. Let it rest for about 30 to 40 minutes. 40 minutes is gone. Flour your work surface. At this point, don't knead your dough. Once the dough has relaxed, don't knead it again. I will have to divide mine into 2. If you're working on a smaller one, it's okay. You can just roll it out. I'm going to roll this out in a flat surface. Just flour your worktop. Just like that. You can see I'm not kneading it. Using a roll pin, I'm going to roll it out flat, and it should not be so thin. Keep on flouring it as you turn the other side so that it doesn't stick on your work surface. That is the size, a good size for me. I'm going to cut them into small pieces. Then I'm going to deep fry them. You can cut it into your desired shape. There are so many shapes. Just play around with it and you come out with a shape. like what I'm trying to do today. I'm creating a diamond shape. Guys, if you are clicking my video for the first time, feel free, and if you find this kind of content useful, consider subscribing and like the video. For more recipes, press the notification bell so that you will be notified wherever I upload a new video. And watch the video up to the end. This is the right size. It's not so thick, not so thin. So we'll continue with that until all the dough are cut into shape. Then we're going to deep fry them. For frying mandazi, you need a deep fryer pan. My oil is already heating there, and we are going to fry this in a low medium heat. Drop your mandazi carefully. As you can see, the oil is not so hot and not even warm. So you need to fry this on a low medium heat so that your mandazi will cook well inside and outside. Once it has popped up, you need to flip it on the other side. Then at this point, now we want to brown them. You'll adjust your heat or your flame to a medium high as you flip them continuously. Now my mandazi is ready, and this is the color I'm looking for. I don't like it too dark. Then just take it out. Look at it, looking lovely. Take it out, and you can put it in a paper towel, or if you have the colander like this, just place it there to drain excess oil before transferring it to your bowl. We continue with this until all our dough is fried, the mandazi dough. I'm working with the medium low and medium high heat. When dropping the mandazi, reduce your heat again so that it doesn't become too hot. We want the mandazi to cook well inside and out. If you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Kindly give me that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now there's another hack. Before removing all your mandazi, and you don't want your oil to get too hot for the next batch, just drop those mandazi as you remove the cooked ones. If you leave the oil there, it will eat a lot. Or you can just turn it off. Then once you start dropping them, you turn it on again. Then you start from the low to the high. My mandazi is well done. Thank you guys for watching this video up to this end. It was nice hanging out with you. The mandazi is looking lovely and it smells heavenly here. It just smells like cake. Look at it, it's very flaky. See the crunchiness dropping. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.